Failure mode is the term which I think causes the most confusion in people when it comes to maintenance. But it just might be the most important term to get right when we're carrying out reviews like RCM or FMEA, failure modes and effects analysis. So in this video, we're going to look at what the term failure mode is, all in just 2 minutes. The definition that I think explains it the best is the one from the American Society of Quality, and it says it's the ways or the modes in which something might fail. So things like errors and defects. Failure modes are equipment or component specific, and it results in the functional failure of the asset or the system, just like I mentioned in the previous video describing functional failure. So here's a real life example of how it can be used in something like car suspension. Here's a coil spring. The function of the suspension is to support the car and also to provide a comfortable ride. So it's got at least two functions that you'd need to look at. One of the functional failures is that it doesn't support the car weight safely. That could be because the spring could fail due to fracture. Possibly sudden fracture from overload, like hitting a pothole in one of our local lovely roads. Or maybe it could be just wear over time that it fatigues. Both of those would be fracture, but two different failure modes, fatigue fracture and overload fracture. Not all failure modes or causes of failure for that matter justify us doing any of the maintenance activities because the likelihood of the consequence and the probability of the failure might not result in a risk being high enough. So if you'd like to find out more about the next steps, which are these effects and consequences, please make sure you click on the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.